Hello everyone, welcome to back my YouTube channel and start my English speaking journey. Let's go. And today I start the topic how you introduce yourself and meet uh, you are meet and anytime any person how to introduce yourself. I start first and you are now, so you repeat after me. Okay, first, hello, my name is Kusum, nice to meet you. But you are notice nice to meet you, you are now nice to meet you word is phrase is very popular and it is used to sentence first. You meet someone, you speak first, like hello, my name is Kusum, what is your name? So next person say hi, my name is Khushi, and I am say nice to meet you, and who say nice to meet you too, and it is start of conversation and start communication. And you ask anything for this person and start conversation, like but you notice ask on uh, this type questions, you answer only yes and no, it is wrong, it is close the conversation. You talk with your friend and family, you practice with us, so you are speak uh, details questions, like I'm ask where are you going, you and when are you going. So answer is small, and I'm speak wow, you're looking very beautiful, where are you purchase these clothes and how much cost, and your dressing sense is very good, please tell me what you are doing. These questions are demanding to detail in the your answer, and it is long conversation. And you today I start like practice for my introduction. Next, first I my daily routine, and I today I am start my introduction. How to notice for what I'm introduce myself. You know, in the childhood I learned my age, my classroom, I am good girl, I am uh, anything. And but it is adolescence and you are going to job and interview, you not use these steps. So I'm describe you what step you are doing and regular practice in your home. First is like my name is Kusum, I'm 21 years old, i uh, i I'm from India, and I like mango. My hobbies are reading and drawing. I live in nuclear family, and I belong to Bihar, and I have 8 members in my family, and these are I describe it. This is our small step. You not think your mind how I am introduce myself. These are your you only practice, and you are going professional and job interview. You uh, you first giving your name and your qualification and your age, then your where are you live, and then your experience. You describe first experience and qualification first. Name and qualification and experience, because job interviews are expectation. You are giving your uh, experience and qualification, because all are these resume or in the on writing, उसमें लिखा रहता है पहले से, तो उनको बस एक्सपीरियंस पता करना होता है, तो तुम उसके बारे में बता सकते हो. एंड यू आर प्रैक्टिस इन योर होम लाइक एक्शन वर्ड्स, लाइक first is your subject, second your action word, and then object. Like I speak English, but I speak English, I talk someone, but you know these are, you are the only habit and universal facts. You used first form in verb, like I speak English, so it is my hobby and it is my like daily routine. So I speak English, and I'm present now, I'm speaking English, and past spoke English. So you are practice in home your, and like and start you small step for your English journey. First, you used small words in your home, in your friends, like thank you, excuse me. You are already used, and you are not think I'm use thank you and excuse me. You already use, so it is habit. You regular speak, and you in it is saved your mind and your tone and your tongues. So my means you are practice regularly. This is very important things. Like excuse me, please pass the salt, and you self talk. I'm cooking food, etc. Yes. So you speak your family, friends with, and self talks. It is very important. So and uh, you are notice I'm stop only 3 to 4 seconds. You are very nervous, like video is closed and it is finished. No, it is, I explain and I example for all or English beginners, because silent, all are beginners, not speak spoke and only stop, and you are thinking why I'm not speaking, but you are notice I'm speaking and I'm speak wrong, but you are and right, it is not matter, but I'm speak and I'm regular speak, it is my tone is accept the English language, and then I'm learned regularly and I'm correction regularly, and so you are notice my English is perfect. So not quite, you are regular practice, and you are my friends, and so please with my uh, practice regular and not nervous, and you I giving you some some phrase like um, I'm talking with uh, my friend, and hello, how are you, and it is a normal conversation, and you talk with your friends and family, how are you, what are you doing, and where are you going, and what is your name. It is normal English you used in your home and your etc. So it means you are not a loser and failure, and I am not also same. I am all are beginners, and it is first step of learning English. And you are regular practice, and I both are achieve English language. It is only not is a big mountain. It is only uh, changes of messaging medium. It is only medium of changing your thought, your idea, and etc. It is only medium. And not hesitate, and you are continue your English practice, and you not give up. Give up, you are fail. You are not give up, you are win. So the finished of my 10 minutes regular practice. Thank you so much with me support. And please, you are all practice, and please comment, please one thing, one sentence what I am speak wrong, and you giving me right answer. Okay. Okay, bye bye, see you again.